Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can merge columns in your spreadsheets on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to your document on Google Sheets and let me go with that example table here I created for the sake of this tutorial. So what you'll need to do is click into the first column. For example, let me go with that column number 1 and then merge it with column number 2. So click into the uppermost cell, or alternately you may simply use these columns here at the top. You can apply it to both. For example, let me go with these two cells, and after that click into merge cells here. Confirm by clicking into OK, and now as you can see both cells have been merged. You can do the same with these columns. Left click into the first one, press and hold left shift on your keyboard and click into the second one. And repeat the same process. Click into merge cells, or you can click into that arrow down icon and select one of these options. So let me go with merge horizontally, click into OK, and there you go. As you can see now the entire column, or both columns, have been merged into one. Just remember guys that only the value of the first column will be kept, as you can see. So let me undo that and show you how it looked before. There you go. So the merged column has taken over basically in the values of that column here to the left and not of the one to the right. And that's it guys, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.